So hi, I'm getting back to you from the video of the vending machine haul and stuff. So I'm gonna open these now. I don't know how to say these. Which there's a piece of tape right here. I'm just gonna pull at it and see what it does. Yeah. It's fine. I can get it. I just need to get the piece of tape right there. Yep. There we go. Okay. So many trash. Yeah. I think there's a piece of tape here too. Yeah, there is. Yeah.
These are made by a Zuru company, right?
Yep. I was surprised when I saw this because the stuffies you can't really see, but like now I see Zuru, which this is like really surprising.
We should show them the back of it too, so they can see some of the ones you can get.
Oh, yeah, so this is the back, and there's like this, but all these you could get,
and these ones are the rare ones.
Yeah, which I hope I get like one of these rare ones. And like you can pause the video and just like see this, all their names, and just like read the whole thing. So yeah, now that you're back from pausing, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish opening it. There's so much tape on this box, like so much. Okay, let's just go back over here. Okay, guys. That's kind of weird. Okay. So much trash.
Oh, these came out. Find the rare itsy glitsies.
Yeah, it's probably
upside down. Pop and swap gem hearts. And
I don't know where all tape went, but I don't need it anyway.
They're so cute.
I know. They are. I'm saving the little tabs. So anyway, I got these 2 little eggs. They shake. This is their horns.
That one has like a pink horn, and that one has a gold one.
Yeah. Which
you got the checklist?
Yep, this is the checklist. This is a different checklist.
Can I see?
There. There's like, it's like kind of like a book, and then there's like that. Collect them all.
Let me show them.
There's actually a lot of things that come inside.
All new sparkly surprises inside.
Because I have 3 others, and one doesn't have an egg, but the other 2 do, which that's weird because I didn't see anything in them, probably because like I got them from the vestry, right?
Yeah, we got them from Everything Kids.
Oh, yeah, Everything Kids, but that's probably why, because they were like everything used at those stores, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna like do eeny meeny miny moe. Eeny meeny miny moe. Catch the tiger by the tail. If he holds it and go. Out goes. Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. So I'm really excited. Ugh. Which, if you want to see my other mini rainbow corns, comment down below. We're gonna have to turn the comments on, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we'll turn the comments on for you who not always say comment, just when you can, when we turn them on. So yeah. So this is my little gem heart. Okay.
Oh,
I got this little fellow. I think I might have this one, but maybe it just like looks familiar because it's a penguin, right, Mama?
maybe.
I hope I didn't get a double, but if I did, at least I have the accessories now, right?
Right.
So if I do already have this little, hey, what are you doing?
I was trying to find its name. Oh, it's right there. Pippy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have this one, but what are you doing? I'm pretty sure I might have this one, but at least now I have like all the accessories, which I will like try to put them on and stuff. I think I have to like put this right here and then put that in. Yeah, that's so cool. You like bring it up and then you can like take that. That's pretty cool, isn't it, Mama?
It is.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a hair clip that you have, right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Like a hair clip that you're supposed to wear or something.
Alright, I'm gonna have to pause the video for a second.
Yeah, let's pause the video for a second.